The values of basically we have to use the values of y. The values of y are 43, 89, y2 is missing, and y3 is 155, y4 is 268, and y5 is 388. We have to use these values, so we have to keep them on the board. Now after applying this, whenever you apply the shift operator 5 times, we get y5 here, plus minus from here we get minus 5 y4, here we get 10 times y4, y4 is here, it should be 3 here, y3 is there, then minus 10 y2 after applying 2 times. From here we get 5 times y1 and y0, and all the results are equals to 0. So here you can see we have all the values of y, and those values are present here, so we can put them into this polynomial. So y5 is 388 minus 5y0, y4 is 268 plus 10, y3 is 155, and y2 is missing, so I keep it as it is, plus 5y1 which is 89, and last one is y0 which is 43, and the net result is equals to 0. So whenever you simplify for the value of y2, on simplify we'll be getting y2 is equals to 100. So this was the value which we were looking for, and that was missing within the data points, and I hope you can find it out very easily just by using your calculating devices, and the result will be equals to 0. So this is the way how actually we can find out the value which is missing whenever you are giving a set of points. Now I am leaving a question for you to do at home, and a similar kind of question is there. I hope you have noted down. Now I'm placing the question. The question is, again you are provided a set of points and there are few missing terms, and the task is to find those terms. So here we write down the question. The question is, the question in the form of the set of point is given to you. The values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the values given. And the corresponding values of y are minus 4, minus 2, dash, dash, 220, and 546, and 1148. So this is the set of point given to you, and these are the two missing terms here, and the task is to locate them. If you remember, in the previous question there was only one missing term, but here we have two missing terms. So how we can how we can locate those two missing terms, or to approximate those missing terms? So here in the previous case we have constructed one difference equation. So for the approximation of the two terms, we require at least two difference equations. So you can count the numbers which are given to us. These are 4, so we can these are 5 numbers are given. So from here we can approximate the value of up to the 4th order of polynomial. So remaining 5th order, 6th order and higher order will be 0. So here, in order to construct the polynomial, in order to locate the values, we have to put the 5th order difference, because we can go up to the 4th order. To 5th order difference will be 0, and the second equation you can obtain by putting then 6 equals to 0. So this is a hint to solve this question. Whenever you put expand it by changing it into the shift operator, as I've just done, by replacing it by e minus 1 and expanding it, then substituting the values of y into these two equations and solving those two equations simultaneously, so inshallah you will be able to find out the missing term. So that was the whole story for the today's session. I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned how actually we can find out the polynomial whenever we are given a set of points only, and that will be definitely helpful. And second, we learned how actually we can find out the missing terms, or we can approximate the values of the missing terms. So this is the whole story for the today's talk. And with this,